Hey, welcome to camp. We hiked 5 miles to camp next to a frozen alpine lake in a hammock and met some cool animals along the way. Sun came out, we're going camping. I did squats and deadlifts yesterday and then impulsively decided to go camping today, and any amount of elevation is just destroying my legs today. But camping is never the wrong decision. The wrong decision was deciding to work out. It's maybe been 45 minutes and we're getting some good elevation. This hike is pretty gradually uphill the whole time, but it just kicked into from like this to this, and it's taking its toll on me. It said rain tomorrow morning, and I've made peace with that, but the clouds are looking like rain tonight, like in a couple hours, and I have not made peace with that. I really hope that doesn't happen. So right now I'm on the saddle of the mountain, so if I go to the right down, then I go to the lake that I'll be camping at, and if I go left, then I fall straight down the mountain. So we're gonna go right down to the lake and see how that goes. So we're moving more into the basin of the lake, and this is the dark side of the mountain where the sun doesn't really hit and it's a lot colder, and as a result, we're walking on snow. We made it to our site at the lake. There is one other guy here over that way, so I'm gonna try to keep it quieter. I brought a hammock because hammocks are more fun. I think I might set it up between these two trees right here. So I'm going to do that first. First thing I did was put my puffy on because it got real cold. Step one is done. Beautiful. They don't take any time. Oh, what is this? Yo. I got distracted. Moment of truth. See if we fall. Nope. Oh, this is beautiful. Not done yet though. Gotta set up the rain fly because rain is coming. So I need to tension this part of the rain fly down. Clearly. So a couple half hitches. I'll hold anything. So for sleep system, I'm going inside the hammock. I brought my inflatable winter ultralight sleeping pad. This thing has a stupid R value, which means I will be super warm. And then just my 20-degree bag. It's almost 6. I'm gonna watch a movie because I got in the hammock and it is way too cozy. And so I'm gonna stay here for a little bit. It's like 7:30-ish. I think it's time to make dinner. The people here are insane. It's literally 20 degrees out and it's gonna rain in the morning, and there's 4 other people camping here. It makes no sense. Like, the lake is frozen. It started hailing at the lake. It is very dark out. Almost time for bed. So I think I'm gonna crawl into the hammock. Good morning. see how low the clouds are this morning. The cloud coverage is so thick, you can't see anything. So it's a little after 7:30. I'm all packed up and started the trek out. So I ended up sharing my site with 2 campers that came a little later. There just weren't any other sites, and I felt real awkward about talking to a camera, so I don't think I got much footage last night. But it was cool. Hung out, talked, and then went to bed. So pretty uneventful. I don't have the social skills required to tell people about my up and coming YouTube channel where I have 4 subscribers, and then they ask me what it's called, and I couldn't do it. So I didn't bring out the camera really at all. So weather-wise, what I was expecting was rain starting at 7 this morning, and that hasn't started. What I wasn't expecting was sleet on and off like 10 times throughout the night, starting at like 8 p.m. Maybe it was hail. I don't know which is which, but it wasn't snow, it wasn't rain. The hammock worked out to be pretty cozy. I don't think I've ever been in it in that cold of temperatures. So it was a fun experience. It got a little chilly. Parts through the night I woke up like parts of my body were just freezing. But I enjoyed it. It's fun. Wow. So right now we are back on the saddle. It's like the highest point of this hike at least. And now it's just straight down to the car. On a clear day from up here, you can see Mount Rainier and Mount Baker. It is not a clear day today, but I think Baker is over there somewhere. Clearly can't see anything, so can't win them all, but it is really cool on a clear day. Something got that bird. I don't know what. I'm just gonna keep on going. That dude was just training his pack goats to go up and down the trails. That's so cool. Those goats have been pooping every foot of this trail ever since I saw them. It's like stepping around a minefield, trying not to step in their poop. Made it back to the car, headed home. Summer is almost upon us, which means I'll probably be out a lot more than during the winter. So there should be a lot more videos coming if I keep it up. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you on the next one.